Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's crucial for your overall health: detoxifying your liver and kidneys. In our modern world, our bodies are constantly exposed to toxins from the environment, unhealthy food choices, and even stress, all of which put a strain on two of our most vital organs, the liver and kidneys. If you've been feeling sluggish, tired, or simply want to boost your health, a detox is exactly what you need. So let's talk about a powerful, yet simple detox drink that helps cleanse your liver and kidneys. The best part? It's incredibly easy to make, requires minimal ingredients, and is super affordable. Before we dive into the recipe, I want to remind you that while this remedy can be a game changer for your health, it should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with your doctor, especially if you have any existing medical conditions. Our goal is to complement your health routine by introducing natural and holistic methods to support your body's natural detoxification processes. The liver and kidneys are your body's natural filtration systems. They work tirelessly to filter out toxins, waste, and harmful substances that build up in the body due to poor diet, pollution, medications, and even stress. The liver processes these toxins and breaks them down, while the kidneys flush out the waste products through urine. When these organs become overloaded with toxins, their efficiency drops, which can lead to a range of issues: fatigue, digestive problems, skin breakouts, and even weight gain. Over time, if the liver and kidneys aren't functioning optimally, you can become more vulnerable to chronic diseases. That's why detoxification is critical. It helps relieve these organs from the burden of toxins, allowing them to operate at peak performance. The detox drink I'm about to share with you is designed to boost the natural cleansing processes of these organs and help you feel refreshed, revitalized, and full of energy. Now, let's get to the part you've been waiting for: the ultimate detox drink recipe. This remedy is so simple, yet so powerful. It will not only help cleanse your liver and kidneys, but also boost your immune system, improve digestion, and give you an overall sense of well-being. Here's what you'll need: a glass, juice of 2 freshly squeezed oranges, and naturally sparkling mineral water. Procedure: first, take a glass and pour in the juice of 2 freshly squeezed oranges. Citrus fruits, particularly oranges, are rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and neutralizes free radicals in the body. Their alkalizing properties help balance the body's pH levels and support the detoxification process, especially for the liver. Next, fill the glass with naturally sparkling mineral water. This not only adds a refreshing taste but also provides essential minerals like magnesium and calcium, which support kidney function. Sparkling water helps to stimulate digestion and can further assist in the removal of toxins from the body. Finally, stir well and drink the detox drink all at once. While the drink is refreshing and citrusy, it's important to consume it away from your main meals. The ideal time to drink it is around 10 to 10:30 in the morning, when your stomach is not too full, allowing the detoxifying properties to work most effectively. Now you might be wondering, why this combination? What makes it so effective for liver and kidney health? Here's why. Oranges are loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants, which help reduce oxidative stress on the liver and support the production of detoxifying enzymes. Vitamin C is also essential for promoting immune function and protecting the liver from damage caused by free radicals. Sparkling mineral water provides essential electrolytes and minerals that the kidneys use to regulate blood pressure and filter waste from the blood. Proper hydration is key to kidney health, and sparkling water offers an added boost to regular hydration by ensuring a good balance of minerals in the body. How often should you drink it? For best results, I recommend drinking this detox drink for 3 consecutive days, at least once every 3 months. It's a mild yet effective detox that will leave you feeling lighter, more energetic, and may even help promote weight loss, especially if your liver is functioning optimally. During the detox period, it's essential to avoid processed foods, sugary beverages, and alcohol to give your liver and kidneys the best chance to cleanse and rejuvenate. Stick to whole foods, plenty of water, and light exercise to help your body naturally expel toxins. Other tips for a healthy liver and kidneys. While detoxing is a great step, maintaining a healthy lifestyle is the key to long-term liver and kidney health. Here are a few additional tips you can follow to keep these organs in tip-top shape. 1. Stay hydrated. Water is your best friend. Drinking enough water helps the kidneys flush out toxins efficiently and keeps them functioning properly. 2. Limit alcohol intake. Alcohol puts an immense strain on your liver. Limiting or cutting back on alcohol will not only give your liver a break but also promote better overall health. 3. Eat liver-friendly foods. Foods like garlic, leafy greens, beets, and turmeric are known for their liver-supporting properties. Incorporating these into your diet can boost liver function and enhance detoxification. 4. Get enough sleep. Believe it or not, your body goes into a detox mode while you sleep. Getting enough rest ensures your liver and kidneys have the time and energy to detoxify your body overnight. 5. Avoid processed foods and sugary drinks. Processed foods and sugary drinks are packed with chemicals and additives that your liver has to work extra hard to filter out. Stick to whole, nutrient-dense foods to reduce the burden on your liver and kidneys. When to seek medical advice. While this detox drink is a great way to support your liver and kidney health, it's crucial to remember that if you're experiencing persistent symptoms like abdominal pain, fatigue, dark urine, or swelling, you should consult with a healthcare provider. These could be signs of a more serious issue that requires medical attention. Always make sure to talk to your doctor before starting any new detox regimen, especially if you have pre-existing conditions or are on medication. Final thoughts. In conclusion, taking care of your liver and kidneys is essential for overall health and longevity. This simple detox drink, made from oranges and sparkling water, is a natural, easy-to-make remedy that can help you cleanse these vital organs, leaving you feeling refreshed and full of energy. So I challenge you to give this detox drink a try and let me know how you feel in the comments below. Remember, small steps like these can make a significant impact on your health. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and share this video with friends and family who could benefit from a natural detox. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on natural remedies and healthy living. Until next time, take care, and may your journey toward health be fruitful. God bless you all.